Silakan, kencengin suaranya.
Welcome to Jambewangi. My name is Franz and I'm working here as a volunteer. Jambewangi is a small village on the island of Java in Indonesia. As you can see, there's not too much going on here besides agriculture. People suffer from a high unemployment rate and don't have enough money to invest in proper education or healthcare. But why? When I arrived here, I couldn't understand it. Jambewangi is rich in natural resources. You can find anything from papayas to potatoes. I want to help the people here to make the most out of these resources by increasing the value of the harvest. How? We selected some of the most exotic fruits, such as dragon fruit, jackfruit and snake fruit. And we simply used the strong Indonesian sun and the dehydrator to dry them. Afterwards, we pack the fruits into a handcrafted paper bag and sell this organic snack in the booming tourism market of Bali, the rich island right next to us.
Laros means youth of Jambewangi in our local language. Franz and I founded Laros as a social enterprise to create new opportunities in my village. By increasing the value of the local harvest, we can support the farmers and pay fair salary to the production. So far, we created 4 part-time jobs. The higher income will enable families to invest money into education and healthcare. Fruits for the future. Furthermore, 50% of our profit is used to build a microcredit fund for other communities. In order to be sustainable, we help my people to help themselves. We show them how to build a food dehydrator, how to operate it, and stick to hygiene standards. Laros is responsible for the marketing and distribution of the product, and we already sell it to premium supermarkets on Bali and in Jakarta.
But in order to create more job opportunities, we have much bigger ideas, and we need your support to make them happen. Your funding will help us to develop a dehydrator with bigger capacity, invest in marketing, and build an export network. Our vision is to involve more villages in the production and to create a larger product range. We will bring delicious exotic foods to your home country and more income to the people too. Become part of our vision.
Support us and empower people to get
Ya, terima kasih. Dari